here in Bangalore, Karnataka, then you'll know which place I mean. As Agrahara, we had been there a couple of times, but then that time the water flow was quite less. So this time we are expecting it might be much. There isn't much of rainfall right now here in Bangalore, but then let's go check out. We had missed taking Justin to Darjeeling. We couldn't take him, right? And then he was also getting really bored sitting at home. We had kept him in PG. And then after reaching Bangalore, this is going to be our another trip. So let's go and explore. We are here on the Kere cross road right now. So from here straight on the highway, we have to take left and then we reach the toll. So we are going to show you further from there. So this is the left that we are talking about. And you got to go straight. This is the highway heading towards the toll zone. You can see Kolar, 44 kilometers from here. Now we're going to reach the toll there. Look at the traffic. Justin, you happy? We reached the toll area, Hoskote highway. Look at the traffic, man. But not that much also, yeah. This is okay at least. Other times over here it's like very much rush. If you see on the left side, on my side, there are a lot of dhabas and restaurants to explore when you come on this way. Look at that. Look at that. I've just crossed the toll gate and we showed you those small dhabas on the left side, right? And look at this truck here. It's not allowing Sailesh to go. Kolar, 41 kilometer from here. We have just completed few kilometers, right? Taken the flyover. There's another left side service road also. We have to take the flyover from here. Actually now we can take the service road also, but then there's a lot of traffic that side, okay? Everybody goes from there. We have taken the flyover and we have reached here right now. Look at this, man. Look at those flowers between the road, right? Looks very beautiful, man. We already had our lunch at home, so we are not gonna stop anywhere. I'm just gonna go straight to the Kere. But then, time to time, we'll be showing you the Nazare. Chennai Expressway Highway, Sailesh. So we are going underneath this flyover, Chennai Express Highway. This one you have to take. That's another one which is going to take you round and join you on the Chennai Express Road, I believe. This is the way. Map is on as well right now here. Which trees are those? Looks like fog, foggy day kind of. Can you see those? We have reached Narsapura, and now from here there's the highway there, and then from here we are on the service road. We are taking left from here, and then this is the way to the Agrahara Kere. Look at this banyan tree. And then from here again you're going to take left. 14 kilometers ahead now, 25 minutes ahead. We are still going. 5 kilometers away, we have stopped here for some time for Justin. Very good weather, not so hot. From here it's 5 kilometers. Look at the outside. I'm just gonna show you there. Entered Virapura village, passing through the village now. A lot of coconut plantation there.
Justin's leg is stinking.
What? Showing 3 minutes. Did we miss the route? You're coming from the highway, make sure that you're not switching off your map if you're coming here for the first time, because you might land up somewhere like this. We are here in the village. From here there's no way. I think we need to get back.
Look at Dimple, people. She got a puppy.
Left. We are in Shettihalli. So from Shettihalli you got to take left, and then you got to see this kind of Nazara. This is the way, right? Here. Look at that waterfall. Oh my god.
Agrahara, Kere, people. Fishing. Woo! Look at this, people.